Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you will be fine. Open your countdown book 2. Students, we were doing the chapter number 6, that is fractions. And today we are going to start our today's topic from page number 95. Students, open page number 95. And our today's topic is equal parts or the quarters. Okay, now student, let's start our topic. I am reading this first line. Do you remember how you folded the paper to show halves? So students, do you remember that we have done in the last lectures? We have folded the paper to show the halves. He is saying us that turn back to the page number 91. So students, let's turn back on page number 91. Look at this. Here on page number 91 we have taken a paper, a rectangular sheet of paper, and then folded it carefully so that these two ends will meet each other. Okay, and the central line drawn has divided our rectangular shape paper into the two halves. Just like this paper, students, I am folding this paper to meet these two ends and making a line in the center which will divide this paper into the two halves. Okay, in this way, look at these, students, these two ends have meet each other and my paper is being divided into the two equal parts from this line. Okay, look at this. This paper is being divided into two equal halves by using this line. Now students, we are going to do it divide into the quarters. Now students, I will fold this paper again in the lengthwise portion in this way so that this end will meet with this end and the paper will divide into the four halves or the quarters. Okay, now I am folding this paper again to make the quarters. Look at this. I am folding this paper and making a line at this point so that these two ends will meet each other. Okay, from this point. Now students, look at this. I have done another fold of this paper. Now I am opening these folds, the first fold and the second fold. Now students, look at my paper. My paper has been divided by these lines, this one line and this one line, and the whole paper is being divided into the four halves, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and these four parts are equal parts. You can compare with each other. Okay students, so this one is our quarter. Now students, remember one thing. When we divide something into the four equal parts, then it means that we are cutting this paper into the quarters. Okay, look at this. We have cut this paper into the four equal parts. Okay students, what does a quarter mean? Can you tell me now? Yes, a quarter means one part out of four equal parts, and you can write it as 1/4. Just like this one, it means that this one is the fourth or the quarter part of this paper. Here I am writing this fourth part in all the parts. In this way, okay students, hope this quarter concept will be clear to you. Now let's have some other examples. Look at the students. Here I am having a lemon and I want to divide this lemon into the quarters. So students, I will divide my lemon first into the two equal halves and then again into the equal halves. That will make the quarter. Let's divide it. Look at these, students. I have divided my lemon into the two equal halves. You can see it from this side also. This one is being divided into the two equal halves. Now this one is the half. We are going to divide it further to get the quarter. Now look at these, students. I have further divided my lemon and this will become the quarters or the four. So students, here are the halves of my lemon. This will make the half again, and this will make the half again. And if I combine all the quarters, then it will make the lemon again. In this way, look at the students, here are my quarters, and when I combine these quarters, it will form the one lemon again. It means that one whole is equal to how many quarters? 1, 2, 3 and 4. A one whole is equal to the 4 quarters. Okay students, here is the sign of equality showing that one whole is equal to the 4 quarters. Okay. Look at this students, here I am having a banana. I will firstly peel it and then I will show the quarters of this banana to you. Look at this, I have peeled my banana. Now students, I am cutting this banana firstly from here, and now I will divide my banana into the quarters. Here I am dividing it into the halves and then into the quarters. Look at these students, I have divided my banana into the 4 quarters. Now students, if I join all of these quarters, then it will make the banana again. Look at these students, the 4 quarters are equal to a complete banana. It means that a whole is equal to how many quarters? 1, 2, 3 and 4 quarters. If I combine these quarters, I will get the whole banana. Okay students, here the sign of equal is showing that a whole is equal to the 4 quarters. Okay students, hope this will be clear to you. Now students, come toward your book. In this, a fruit is being divided into the 4 quarters or the 4 equal parts. Okay students, look at this. This one whole is equal to the 4 quarters, just like the lemon. And in this, a chocolate having the 4 portion is being divided into these quarters. So 4 quarters will combine to make this whole again. While in the next, here we are having a log of the wood, and this is being cut into the 4 equal parts. Okay students, here you can see that these 4 quarters equal to one whole, or a one whole is equal to the 4 quarters. Next, in this we are having a cake, and same with the cake. Cake is being divided into the quarters or the 4 equal parts, and that 4 quarters equal to this one whole. Okay students, you can write on each part as 1 by 4 because that one is the fourth part of the whole. Okay students. Now students, come on your next page, page number 96. And our first question is equal parts or the quarters. Here the first question is tick the shapes that are divided into quarters. So students, we are going to tick the shapes that are divided into the quarters. Firstly, you should know that what is the quarter, as we know that quarters are the 4 equal parts. Now look at the shapes one by one. Here in the first shape only we are having the 2 parts 1 and 2, and that are not the equal. It means that this one is not the quarter. Look at the second shape that has been ticked for you for as an example. Look at these students, here this shape is being divided into 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts, which means that they are the quarters and the equal parts. Look at this, every box is equal in the length and the width. Okay, so this has been ticked. Next, in the circle, count the boxes that are made in it. 1, 2 and 3. Here we having the 3. This, it means that this is not the quarter. Come toward the next shape. Here in this shape is being cut into the 4 parts. Look at this, every part is equal to the other part, and this is dividing into 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts, which means that this is the quarter. So I am going to tick it. While in the next, here we are having the only 3 parts, so this is not the quarter. Come toward the next shape. Here in this circle we are having the 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which means that this circle is having the 4 equal parts or the quarters. So I am going to tick this circle. In the next, we are having the rectangular shape having the 3 parts only, and in this we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts. But students, I am not gonna take it. Can you tell me why? Because these parts are not equal. These parts are equal to each other and these are equal to each other, but not all the parts are equal. So students, this one is not divided into quarters. Okay, I'm not gonna take it. Come toward the next shape. Here in this shape, all the parts are equal and is being divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm gonna tick this shape. Okay, come toward our next question. Question number 2. Here these shapes are all cut into quarters. Color each quarter in a different color. So students, these shapes are all cut into quarters. It means that you are not need to identify the quarter. All are the quarters, and you are going to color each quarter with the different color and then write 1/4. 1/4 means our quarter bare necessary. So students, we are going to color it first and then write 1/4 in each quarter. Okay students, let's start coloring with this. Here one part is being colored. Let's color the other one. So show me your color, students. Let's do the coloring. Now students, here I am having the green color and I am doing this green color in this second half of this diamond shape. Now students, I am coloring it. Take your colors and start coloring. Look at this, I have colored this portion with the green color. Next, I am choosing the colors to fill these 2 boxes. Look at this students, I have colored this portion with the orange color and this one with the red color, and this color differentiation is showing the quarters. Here each part having the different color is my quarter. Come toward our next shape, that is circle. I am going to color it. Students, you are going to color in all the shapes and each quarter should have the different colors. Okay students, let's meet after coloring. Now look at this students, I have colored each portion or each quarter with a different color. Look at this, in this circle, in this square and this diamond shape. Look at this, I have colored each quarter with a different color. You can differentiate the each quarter. Okay students, you are going to color each shape and quarter with a different color. Okay students, in the next step you are going to write 1/4 in each quarter. Okay students, here I am writing 1/4 in each quarter. In this way, look students, I have written 1/4 in each quarter. You are going to write in the same way. Okay students, now come towards our next page, page number 97. Open page number 97, and here the topic is equal parts, quarter and the halves. Okay students, look at these shapes. How much has been colored? You are going to tell it and write in the box. Look at this, you are going to write half or the quarter. So students, one has been done for you. Look at this shape, how many parts this shape having? 1 and 2, and which one is colored? The second part is covered. So out of 2 parts, 1 is colored. Okay, now look at this, how many boxes in this we are having are the parts 1 and the 2. Look at this line is dividing this shape, X like shape, into the 2 halves. Okay students, how many halves we are having here? We are having the 2 parts, and how many are colored? Only 1 part is colored, which means that half is colored. Now look at this, in this shape we are having the 4 triangles. Look at this one, this is the 1, 2, 3 and the 4. So here we are having the 4 triangles, and in this only 1 part is colored. So this means that only quarter is colored. Okay, look at this. This is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, but only one part is colored out of the 4 parts. Okay, come towards the next shape. Here in this shape, 1, 2, 3 and 4, this one is divided into the 4 equal parts, but only 1/4 is colored, so I am writing it here as 1 by 4. Okay students, come towards this shape, this kite-like shape, and having the 4 parts but only one is colored, which means that the quarter is colored. Having the 4 shapes but only one is colored. If 2 shapes were colored, we will write it here as 2 by 4. Next, in this 1 and 2, this is being divided into the 2 parts, and colored part is the half part. So students, here I am writing the number half, which is showing that half part of this shape is being colored. Look at the circle students. This one is being divided into the 4 parts and only the quarter of it is being colored. Okay students, come toward our next question, question number 2. Here we are going to join the dots first and then color half or 4. The box tells you which. So students, how we are going to do half or the quarter part color? The box will tell us. First of all, in this shape, look at this. Here the dots are being joined first. Look at this. Here we are going to join these dots, this line and this line. Okay students, now look at this. Here the how much part is colored? 1 by 4 is colored. Here in this 1 by 4 is being colored. Come toward our next shape. We are going to join these dots first. Look at this. Here I am joining these dots. Now this shape is being divided into the 4 equal parts, and look at this, you are going to color the quarter of it. So students, quarter of it, all the parts are quarter, you are going to color only one part. Okay, look, in this a quarter is written and I have colored the quarter of this shape. Come toward the next shape. Now students, in this shape, first we are going to join these dots. Look at this, I have joined these dots, and look at the box. This box is telling us that we are going to color the half of this portion. So students, half means the 2 quarters. So look at this students, I have colored the half of this shape or the 2 quarters. Now students, here is one of your friend, the bunny. Here the tiger is saying, do you see what I see? He is asking from you that did you see what the tiger see? Look at this students, what the tiger see. Look at this, he is saying that the 2 quarters, look at this, the 2 quarters is equal to 1/2. Yes, we also observed this. We observed that these 2 quarters make our half. Look at this, here in this we are having the 4 quarters and the 2 quarters joined to make our half, which means that 1 by 4, that is the quarter. A quarter plus a quarter is equal to a half. Okay students, look at the other thing, that is tiger saying to you, he is saying that the 2 halves is equal to 1 whole. So students, let's observe this in the remaining examples, that 2 halves is equal to 1 whole. A half and a half will make the 1 whole. Okay, look at this, a half that is being colored and the other half that is not colored. A half plus a half, this will make the whole. Okay students, let's color the remaining one. Here you are going to join these dots first and then color the quarter portion. Look at this, I have colored it. Come towards the next shape. In this, join the dots first. Now this shape is being divided into 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts. Now students, you are going to color the half of it. It means that we are going to color the 2 quarters, because a quarter and a quarter is equal to the half. Now look at this students, I have colored this shape, the half of this shape or the 2 quarters. It means that a half and a half will make a half and a half will make a whole. and a quarter will make the half. Okay students, hope this will be clear to you. Now students, do the practice of these questions by yourself. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.